guys. Let me see. Can you do it? Good job, Gabriel. Who got you those toys?
Uncle Stan.
So what are you going to say to Uncle Stan?
Thank you, Uncle Stan.
And what else?
Thank you, sir. I love you. I love you.
What? What?
I love you.
Gabriel, what do you say?
I love you.
What do you say? You're eating. Oh, full of cookies.
Mama,
I love you, Uncle Stan.
Mama, take a video now.
I know, but you're right in front of the window. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. Good job. Oh, coconuts. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing, Lucas? Psst, psst, psst. Lucas. Lucas. Thanks for the presents for the boys. Love you. Merry Christmas. A little late.
Look what you can do. I did it backwards. But look what you can do.